Hey guys, welcome to Food Flavors Fondness. Today we are going to make very simple yet delicious veg soya rice. The ingredients of the recipe are shown in the video. The rice will be ready in no time. It would hardly take a half an hour and will also not take much efforts. We all know how healthy soya is. Also, the rice is full of vegetables and spices that will leave you finger licking. So, let's get started. Heat the pot, add cooking oil. Once the oil is heated, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds and curry leaves. Let them crackle. Now add whole spices, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and black pepper and stir it. Now we will be adding sliced green chili and mix it. Also add chopped onions and mix everything thoroughly. If you want, you can add cashew nut. It will really taste yum. Now we'll be adding crushed ginger garlic. You can also add ginger garlic paste if you want to. Stir well all the ingredients. Now add in all the vegetables, carrots, potatoes, tomatoes, French beans. You can also add any other vegetables of your choice like cauliflower, capsicum, green peas, anything. Mix everything thoroughly at medium flame. Meanwhile, when the vegetables are cooking, keep the water for boiling for adding it to the soya rice. Now once all the vegetables are partially cooked, we'll be adding in all the spices. Red chili powder, garam masala, turmeric powder and salt. Now mix all the spices with the vegetables. Now we'll be adding some roughly hand crushed mint leaves and curd and stir everything nicely. Now it's time to add in the main ingredient of the recipe, the soya chunks. We have soaked the soya chunks for about 15 minutes in water before adding. Now mix all the vegetables and soya nicely so that all the flavors are absorbed. Remember that the flame is still at medium. Now we'll be adding rice. We have soaked the rice in water for about 15 minutes and drained the water and add only rice. Do not dump the rice all at once, just spread it evenly throughout the pan, as shown in the video. Now after adding the rice, don't mix the vegetables and soya with the rice, just leave it as such. Close the lid and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes at medium flame. Now after some 2 to 3 minutes, add the boiling water that we had mentioned earlier. Make sure that you don't stir the rice at this time, just leave it undisturbed. Now we were supposed to squeeze a lemon, but I guess mama forgot to do that. We are sorry for the mistake guys, but remember to squeeze a lemon at this point. Now just crush a bunch of coriander leaves with your hands and add it into the pot. Again, close the lid and let the rice cook with all the flavors for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. And for the last 2 to 3 minutes, keep the flame low. After 8 to 10 minutes, you'll see that the rice is very well cooked and the aroma is just mouth-watering. Isn't it a simple and easy recipe to try, full of vegetables and soya, which is absolutely healthy? Once the rice is cooked, put the flame off and keep it aside. You can serve this with ghee or raita and enjoy the flavorsome veg soya rice. I hope you liked this recipe of veg soya rice, full of vegetables, spices and flavors, cooked with full of fondness. If you liked this video, then do like, share and subscribe Food Flavors Fondness. And if you made this recipe, then do let me know how did it taste. I would love to know in the comment section. Also, follow Food Flavors Fondness on Instagram. Till then, keep cooking, keep spreading love. Bye bye.